In this application we can manage resources across different locations. Each location has an admin and engineers under it. Now let's start with admin at location 1 and check features. Once we log in, we have the dashboard module where the admin can check total number of equipment, maintenance work scheduled, total calibration and total breakdown reports. Below that we have the reporting component where the admin can check the details of the maintenance schedule. There is a drop-down feature where we can switch between upcoming, missed and completed schedules. A filter option is also provided to search the reports with date and also a text-based filter. Now let's move to customer management where the admin can add and update status of the users who are in that location. Only users who have an active status will be able to log in. In Machinery Mastery, we can save and update the details of the machines that we have in our location. This can be entered by both the admin and the engineer in the location. Machinery added in one location will not be shared across different locations. While adding details of a machine, we also have the option to update files that explain more about the machine. Bulk upload of machine is also available where the user can upload the details of the machines from an Excel sheet. Sample file is also provided to download for. Next, we have our calibration module where we can add calibration details for the machines that we have. Similar to our machinery module, we also can add files to each calibration, which explains more about the calibration, and also a bulk upload where the user can add calibration for multiple machines at once. Calibration details will not be shared across locations. This is another important feature of this application where if any sudden breakdown happens, site engineers can update the details of the breakdown that happened, like the area it happened, action taken and status of the breakdown. We also support adding multiple breakdown at a time through file upload. One of the most crucial part of the application is our schedule maintenance. Here we can add the maintenance work that is scheduled in bulk or also as a single entry. Whenever a maintenance is added, the admin and the engineers are notified about the maintenance, and they also get a notification via email 3 days before the maintenance work. Once a maintenance work is completed, then the admin engineer can update the status of it in the update maintenance page. If a maintenance work is missed by the team, then a notification goes to the team via email. You can see that the maintenance work missed will be listed in red color. The user can also filter from the list of notifications. Now let's check the second location, which is location 2. We have the second location where the users can have their separate machinery, user management, calibration, schedules, maintenance. These details are separate for each location. Adopting the ERP application done by VS Online Services can significantly benefit a business by streamlining processes, centralizing data, enhancing productivity, enabling better decision-making, and providing a competitive advantage.